Hello, second graders. Hi, Mrs. Brusso here. Today we're going to talk about adding a two-digit number. As you can see here, I have two numbers, and each number is called a two-digit number because it has ones and tens. That's why it's called a two-digit number. We're going to be adding today, and today we're going to be using our place value chart, and we're going to be drawing place value discs. Okay? So let's get started. When we have an equation like this and modeling it on our place value chart, the first thing we need to do is draw our first number using place value discs. So before I draw it, I want you to think, what does 38 look like when we draw it on our place value chart? We're going to draw 8 ones and 3 tens. So I'm going to draw my 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm going to draw my 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. There, I have drawn 38, 3 tens and 8 ones. Now we're going to add 13. Remember, when we want to show addition on the place value chart, do you remember what we need to do? We need to draw a line across. So if you said that, you are correct. So we draw a line across underneath our first number. So when we have an addition equation, the first thing you need to think about too is drawing your first number up top so you save room for your second number down here. Now, below the line, we are going to model the number 13 and what that looks like using place value discs. Before I draw it, I would like you to think about it. What does 13 look like? How is that represented on the place value chart using place value discs? If you said 3 ones and 1 10, you would be right. Let me draw that now. I'm going to do my 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. And my 1 10. There. So now we have modeled both numbers. Up top, this is showing the number 38, and below the line, this is showing 13. We're going to use our place value chart now to add. So first what I'm going to do, I have 8 up here and 3 down here. Think about what's 8 plus 3? If you said 11, you would be right. But that means we can make a bundle of 10. There's 10. We can group a bundle of 10 together. So let's do that. So I have 8 up here. So I need to take 2 from down here to make my bundle of 10. So we circle that. And before we move it over, let's double check and make sure that's actually a bundle of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we have 10 ones now. So we're going to move that and carry that over to the tens place value. Just like that. Okay, so now let's continue adding. How many ones are left over? Because remember, we bundled these and we moved these over. So they no longer exist up here. Nope, they don't exist anymore. But we don't erase them either because we wanted to show where do they come from. There's only one left. So down here, I'm going to write 1. Now we move over to the tens position. Let's count our tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens. You could count by 10 if you want to. Let's do that. Yeah. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there are 5 tens. So we're going to write a 5 in the tens column. And do we have any hundreds? 0 plus 0? Nope, none. So we have our answer now, everyone, 51. So 38 plus 13 equals 51. This, boys and girls, this is how you model adding a two-digit equation. So you have 2 numbers, and each number is a big number. And how do you model that on your place value chart? I hope you learned something new today, and you're going to practice this in class this week. Have fun. Bye.